and in this particular video I'm going to talk to you how to prepare for GATE Chemical Engineering. The biggest challenge of GATE examination is knowing and completing the syllabus because we have got huge syllabus. So if you are clear in the concept, except 4 to 5 questions, most of the questions belong to the category of easy and medium questions. So if you're aiming for a good rank, you have to complete the entire syllabus. So how to get started? The first and foremost thing is know your syllabus. Go to the IIT website which is organizing the GATE examination. Get the syllabus printed. Know each and every topic of it. See, chemical engineering is a huge subject. You cannot learn each and everything, so you have to be very specific and be very specific about what topics and important topics you are preparing for the GATE examination. And the second is strategy. So while preparing, you should always aim for easy first, because when you take an easy subject and complete it, it builds a lot of confidence. The second thing is prepare the subject in line with your college syllabus. So while in your college, if this particular topic is going, try to prepare that hand only, so it's very easy for you to understand the topic, ask doubt and get it clarified. And the third most important thing is start now. So don't wait, oh this is so huge syllabus. You start with as small as 5 minutes, studying for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Keep on improving till 1-2 hours, and once you get into the rhythm, you will find things easy. Now the third important thing is syllabus. So as you must have seen the syllabus of GATE Chemical Engineering, I'm going to tell you the topic and what should you refer while preparing it. So this is books I have suggested according to my convenience, because I found them one of the easiest one. You can also choose the books that is being used in your particular college. The first and foremost is our aptitude. Aptitude consists of 15 marks, and it's one of the easiest thing to score the 15 marks. So first and foremost, how to prepare for aptitude, past year's paper. Then secondly, you can go to India Bix, this is a free website, and practice few concepts. And third one is you can have RS Agrawal aptitude. See, most of the aptitude questions are easy, but try to practice and get 15 marks out of 15 in your aptitude. This is one of the easiest section to score the marks. The second most is engineering mathematics. So in engineering mathematics, most of the people say BS Graber, but I found the book very big. So what I did was, I took with that printout, I had syllabus wise topic, what was the top important topic they had mentioned in the syllabus. What I did, I went to YouTube, saw YouTube videos, understood the concept, and then secondly I started practicing past year questions. So you can even if you see, when you prepare topic wise, it saves a lot of time, and you only concentrate on important topics. And the third is you can get content from NPTEL also. And make sure, see, numerical methods is a new topic, and make sure almost most of the GATE papers you get one question from numerical methods, so prepare it well. Now the third is, now we have our core chemical engineering. The first is our heat transfer operation. So heat transfer, the basic concepts taught in class 12th. So this is one of the easiest subject to start with. I preferred McCabe for heat transfer operation, and there is a special emphasis for heat exchanger. So in past year's paper, we have always got one questions either relating to heat transfer. So to master heat transfer design especially, you can read one chapter from Richardson and Coulson. And you should heat exchanger design and lamp transfer are one of the important concepts for heat transfer operation. Then the second one is fluid mechanics. So fluid mechanics, also the basic concepts were taught in class 12. So this is also one of the easiest topic to start with. Now it is an analogy with heat transfer also. So in this fluid mechanics, I preferred the book of McCabe, and because it's smaller also and easy to understand. So you can also prefer that. And few you can see few concepts are very important in fluid transfer. These are pumps, NPSH, Karman equation. So you can either learn it through NPTEL or see some YouTube videos regarding it. If you find the notes of your college professor easy to understand, you can even refer that. Then the third is mechanical operation. Mechanical operation, you can stick to the syllabus. So you can read mechanically for the same mechanical operation, and you can for a few important see mechanical operation is easy to understand because you can see the concepts in your everyday life. But there are few concepts which are very difficult and tricky. For example, the concept of filtration and the illustration. So in that particular case, you can refer to NPTEL material and NPTEL videos. NPTEL videos are long, so try to if you want to save time, try to only see NPTEL videos of difficult concepts, so your concepts get clear. Then the fifth one is mass transfer operation. So mass transfer operation has a good amount of weightage in your gate paper. So the best book for years for mass transfer is Trebal. You can even prefer notes that are being used in your college. So will you study Trebal? Trebal is a very long book. So when you study for the Trebal, make sure that with Trebal you try to solve your past year papers also. So you get to understand how am I using my concept in the particular paper, in this particular topic. Okay. Then the sixth one is your process design and economics. Now in this process design and economics, you can the process design part where you have to design the equipments and the formula, you can refer NPTEL. NPTEL as a source book, sticking to the topics. And the second part of is process economics. So for process economics, we have a book called by Timmerhouse. Now the Timmerhouse book is easy to understand, and while reading process economics with Timmerhouse, try to practice the questions that are at the end of the chapter. Most of the questions that are being asked in the gate examinations are some type related to the questions that were asked behind the book. Okay. Then the seventh one is chemical reaction engineering. So in chemical reaction engineering, the papers I've practiced, I have found that most easiest book for chemical reaction engineering is Levinspill. And most of the questions come from part 1 of Levinspill. So the chapters are very small and easy. So once you complete one particular chapter, start practicing its example and the questions at the back. So uh, you can even practice past year questions in this regard. So Levinspill is suffice. You can even Fogler for more important questions, more important topics which you don't understand or want to know in a depth, you can prefer Fogler. Okay. And the eighth one is instrumentation and process control. So the most easiest book that I found in IPC was the book by Kufner. So in Kufner, you practice the examples and the past year papers in line with IPC. For important questions, either you can Google it or find more information on NPTEL for few topics which you want more depth in. The ninth one is general chemical technology. Now when you talk about general chemical technology, most of the syllabus you have to complete from NPTEL. See, NPTEL or Dryden. So for example, sulfuric acid is there, then production of ammonia is there. So take that particular ammonia and read the process of ammonia from NPTEL. So you save a lot of time. Now once you complete with the gate chemical engineering, the most important part is to practice a good amount of questions. How to start practicing for it. So you should prepare past year papers well. So for past year's paper, you can either go for a website called unitoperation.com. You can have a book of M. Subbu. So for before 90s, the M. Subbu contains questions that are before 1990s. And So those are very big questions. But what happens, the concept, you can practice the concept very easily, and nowadays from the main concept the sub parts of that particular questions are being asked in the exam, and you can even prepare from Ram Prasad. And finally, you should take a test series to analyze your performance. You can take whatever test series that is available in market. So for chemical engineering we really have very less amount of test series. So uh, so this is from my side. So all the best and prepare well, and be disciplined and stick to your timetable.